Udukot kayang dorbar tauan kari Jong kaseng VPP na Shillong constituency Dr. Syngkon ha kasngi palai ulakan tu ya kesorkar jela bakan Syngkon ba Halor ki kubor ki bedai beki kam Bamsap shna surok ki bajur ban penting kenaru ba ki badon keti hakani ki di ban ngat ha ka kendon an ke beperking kani ke surok ka peneso ya kanong ba Shillong bat kanong ba tura ling ba kesor nong ston bat rong jeng. Dah ka Pynpaw ya ke Jingsngewkhia Jingmut ke Jong ubak Syngkon ula ke doru ya ke weipat ke projek shna surok bala bay tengka da ke World Bank ke ba nadu lat saw haduk mau maram ya ke ba ompat lak ban pendap satia wat laki kam maramot kiladap sedang ula ongru i ki brio bekim de hiru ban shoes ngap jar ya kum kini ke jingle bian.
The World Bank funded project from Latum South to Mamaram. Some 80 crores worth of project, if I'm not mistaken, to get the figures right. And see, the road has yet to be completed and then repair is going on. And what is this? And that will be a World Bank funded project. So it is a matter of serious concern. I feel that the public should, high time that the public should come out and speak against such activities, because this is concerning us and our future. So we do think such some activities are being carried out in this manner. This is something very serious because at the end it's public money.
Kaseng KHASI students